Hello everyone, I'm back with another interesting use case, and this time I'm going to test with CrawlQ's different features versus ChatGPT. Okay, so we are testing here on a workspace. It's a Philips hair removal device, Lumia IPL hair removal device. It's a very popular hair removal laser device for women hair removal. We have already done research here with a specific persona, and we are going to compare Write Me Athena, Ask Me Athena, Social Me Athena. These are all features of CrawlQ, Authority Builder, Athena Outline Builder, CrawlQ Story Framework, TLDR versus ChatGPT. So Write Me Athena, and we are taking the same context. Provide top 10 benefits of Lumia IPL hair removal device. Okay. I'm assuming that ChatGPT has been trained on a vast amount of data. It knows the specific context. I have also provided to ChatGPT some brief specific context about this device. So I'm assuming ChatGPT and CrawlQ equally has both have the relevant data in this test. Okay, and I will show you that CrawlQ has more specific data about the persona, pain point, and that difference you will see it in a very obvious manner when I walk you through these different features versus ChatGPT. So provide top 10 benefits of Lumia IPL hair removal device. Write Me Athena is generally for expanding into a paragraph, but it also works into a list. It provides more detailed answer to the question that you ask. So in this case, it starts with it is the most comfortable hair removal device for women as it uses low level laser light to target and remove unwanted hair without irritation or pain. You can use it at home by yourself or with a partner, perfect for busy women looking for a quick and easy way to get rid of their hair. Okay. The Lumia IPL hair removal device also offers long-term results, meaning that you will see less and less hair growth over time as your body becomes used to the treatment. And finally, now you see it starts with 1, 2, 3, 4 points, and it tried to summarize in like a paragraph. Finally, because this treatment is affordable, and affordable even when compared to using other expensive methods like surgery, it is an excellent choice for many women looking to get rid of their hair permanently. So you see a pattern here, right? So it's more designed for paragraph. Ask Me Athena is designed to provide you bulleted list of points. That's why it goes up to 7, and it says Lumia IPL hair removal device is very comfortable to use at home, and everywhere you will see that this use at home is a specific language that Athena learned from this main keyword. That's how we trained Athena, right, on hair removal device for women. And this main keyword was coming from the Amazon A plus listing of Philips product and the specific wording that are there on that page. Okay, so keep that in mind that CrawlQ's AI Athena can learn specific terminology from the data sources. Okay, and it can use in a very specific tone of voice or a specific business terminology that you have defined. Okay, so it sort of carry over the branded content creation. Okay, if you understand what I mean here. So it's easy to follow the treatment guide provided by the manufacturer. The results are visible and long lasting. There is no need for any irritation or pain during the treatment. And you can see this is more like a paragraph. This is same version of this, but more in a listed and bulleted points. Social Me Athena is again same version, but instead of focusing on the main topic, it focus on the pain point, problem, solution, and it provides very specific social media type of shorter version of the Ask Me Athena. So permanent hair removal, quick and painless result, no hassle, no risk for injury. This has more sales oriented approach or drive in the output. So if you are creating content for middle of the funnel or bottom of the funnel, you can always choose Social Me Athena along with these different data sources. Okay, so if you want to focus on sales copy, then I would select market research, social me Athena, and of course here sales copywriting is not activated because we have not created any sales copy so far. But once you start using sales copywriter, then also you can filter this information. Social me Athena along with sales copywriting can provide more specific copywriting which is used for sales pages. Okay, now authority builder. So this social me Athena along with some data selection here, you can use this setting for creating more sales related copy. But if you're focusing on SEO optimizing your copy and you have selected some words, right? How to do this? There is this authority builder. Once you go to the authority builder, you can basically select these type of keywords. So if the way I did is click this authority builder, and obviously it populate all kind of data from trends, from question answer, from Quora, from whatever Athena has learned. You can just type in benefits of Lumia, and you will get search results, and these search result you can incorporate in your copy in the market research, or you can say Quora, Google. You can select sources and you will see that you will get these results. And of course you can select any one of them. So if I want to focus on a single big benefit, and which is a pain-free and easy hair removal, I can select this and it will appear as a selected keyword here. All the trending topics on Google are here, so you can select all the trending topics. Competing topics, these are all NLP related topic from this. So if you want to include dermatologist, makeup, hair removal device, anything which is kind of a NLP topic, right? You can include here. You can include intent based question, which is already I have included here. Which, what, are, which is best hair removal device? What's the best hair removal device? Hair removal machine for women's genital areas. So these are the items that I have included. If you have done your own keyword research, you can also add here, and you once you save it, everything that you have added here will again appear here, authority builder topics. And these are the topics that we are giving more weights while creating the content. So authority builder, these are the topic weights. And I ask the same question, provide top 10 benefits of Lumia IPL hair removal device. And you can see the topics that got high weight are bold here. And also when it cannot take exactly, because we are not trying to do the keyword stuffing here, right? So when it can't exactly write in the same way, it also write in the way which is contextually and semantically similar with those topics, and that's perfectly accepted with Google, that you should be able to write on the topics in a semantic connection, right? You should not just push all these keywords into one. So our topics were hair removal tool for women face, hair removal machine for women's genital areas, best hair removal machine for women's private. You see, it's more focusing on the facial removal and face, and you can see here it starts picking up some of these items here. Lumia IPL hair removal device is most effective and efficient hair removal device available on the market. It's perfect for women's facial hair, bikini lines, and other areas of the body. Philips Lumia IPL 9000 series offers easy to use with simple control panel. This makes it ideal for anyone who wants to remove unwanted hair without any hassle or pain. The laser technology. So this is the word laser here, right? So it's using laser. Laser technology is used in this device, is highly effective in removing all types of hair, including thick and coarse hairs. Lumia IPL hair removal device is also portable. So you can see the effect of selecting some of the keywords that we want to force Athena to write in a specific way. And again, these are highlighted, right? So without reading all this, I think you clearly understand the benefit of authority builder, that it picks up those specific topic and use them in a contextual way, but still speaking to the same audience, same persona about the same topic. So you can see how far we can really control the output in the way we want. Okay. Now there's also Athena outline builder. Same topic I pass and it will create the outlines. These are generally, this outline builder is fine-tuned on the almost 10,000 H1 H2 tag that we manually collected from the SERP, right? So it follows a specific pattern how high ranking blog posts are written, and you will see here that it also take that main topic of interest or keyword in this outline, right? So that these are really important. So if you are using outline builder and if you're using authority builder, this is the best way to write for SEO using CrawlQ. Okay, because hair removal device for women is taking this into every question. Where to buy Lumia IPL hair removal device? How safe is the Philips Lumia IPL hair removal device? Is it expensive to buy the Lumia IPL hair removal device? What are the some facts about Lumia IPL hair removal device? Right? So you can see it's highly optimized for SEO writing. Now, CrawlQ story framework. There are different types of CrawlQ story framework: problem agitation, problem desire. One of these based on the problem desire. Here we are talking about Laura. Laura is our target audience. Laura is 34-year-old working woman. She is struggling to find hair removal methods that is easy and time saving. She has been using the same waxing device for years and she is frustrated with the pain and side effects. Her husband recommended she try the Philips Lumia IPL, which is more advanced version of the waxing device. Laura did a demo and was able to avoid the mistake of paying too much. This experience ended in success and she now enjoys feeling confident and free from the pain of waxing. Okay, so you understand this. This is more sort of a story idea, a story builder. If you're building a script, a story for social media post, for Instagram post, this is a nice inspiration to start like this. CrawlQ can also provide TLDR. In this case, Philips Lumia IPL hair removal device is a professional quality device that can be used in the comfort of your home. It is safe for all skin types and has various settings to ensure optimal treatment. A 2-year warranty backs this device. So this is overall summary from that Amazon page and it's kind of nicely carried forward here in the TLDR. Now I use the same thing. I ask with some context. I ask ChatGPT provide top 10 benefits of Lumia IPL hair removal device, and I'm going to read this for you so you can compare the differences. It has a very good structure to start with, right? Long lasting results, safe and effective, convenient, fast treatment. So it picks up the idea of benefit and then state the first benefit in easy to understand language and then expand upon that, right? So this is a pattern that ChatGPT will follow. Even if you try in different way, it will be ChatGPT will follow a specific pattern on the data on which it has learned this. So you cannot alter this pattern, right? It will always follow in the way it has learned. Now, of course, the data might be very useful, but you cannot avoid a situation where this data also might be not so useful, right? There is no way to distinguish whether it's useful or not useful. Again, if you see long-lasting results, Lumia IPL device uses intense pulsated light technology to target hair follicles and inhibit hair growth, leading to long-lasting hair reduction. This goes into more into technology aspect of it, right? Safe and effective. Lumia IPL device have been clinically tested and proven to be safe and effective. Again, it goes into a technical language. Device can be used at home, so you don't have to make time for costly and time consuming salon appointments. Makes sense. Also, it picks up some of the idea that was picked up earlier also in the CrawlQ in the different features, right? Fast treatment time. Lumia IPL device is a large treatment window allowing you to cover large areas quickly and efficiently. Gentle on the skin. Device have built-in skin tone sensor that ensures light intensity is always at correct level. Device has adjustable light intensity setting. Lumia device can be used to face and body, including legs, arm, bikini area, underarms, right? So for me, this is more technical language, and of course this can be very useful for person who is already doing research. But for me, there's no way to control this or say that I wanted to write on the top of the funnel, middle of the funnel, or I want to play around with these topics, or I wanted to write more like a social type of post, right? So this is how currently the difference with ChatGPT and what CrawlQ can already provide. Now we are also trying to very soon bring into market ChatGPT like interface, where key difference again is ChatGPT like output, but at the same time ability of Athena to learn from the recent data sources on the fly, and ability to write in a way where Athena has semantically and contextually learned about the product, about the topic, and about the persona. So all the benefits of Athena plus ChatGPT like pattern, that's what we are working currently, and we'll soon release a new version on this. But I hope that this video is very useful for you to understand the different features or comparison of Write Me Athena, Ask Me Athena, Social Me Athena, Authority Builder, Athena Outline Builder, CrawlQ Story Framework, TLDR versus ChatGPT. Again, I hope you find this video very interesting, and also at the same time honest and one-to-one comparison with the capabilities of ChatGPT and what Athena and all the different features inside CrawlQ can deliver at this moment. I hope you enjoy this, and I'll come with another interesting idea very soon. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.